Three, two, one.
Here we go!
Hey everybody, Matthew Peach from the M1 Gear channel. We're here in Florida today. Brett and I are down here for a documentary film, and we're going to be using some really cool new gear. So we have the brand new C300 Mark III. Gotten to play with it a little bit. It'll be our first shoot today with it. I'm pretty excited about it. We're getting ready to build it out, and I wanted to take a quick moment because we have a couple of the accessories that we bought with the camera. So we're gonna have an in the field open the box right here. So we're gonna start with the Canon EVF-V50. Now I'm kind of excited about this little guy because this makes the base body here. This is the base body of the Mark III. And you notice that it does not have the eyepiece on it on the back, right? It's just this nice frame here. This is going to be great for bigger build outs, for putting it right onto a system and flying it right. It gets rid of that eyepiece. It's nice that that's removable, but I really enjoyed having that eyepiece for certain shoots on the 300 Mark II, which is what we're filming here on this sighting. So I like that feature. I love that they've added it as an accessory. The other one we're going to open up here is the EU-V2. This is really cool because this is a Canon accessory instead of third party that has an attachment on the back, builds it out, and it is a V-mount system for this camera. Built right in, Canon out of the box. I'm super excited about this because for the Mark II, I had to use a third party attached to the rails. It worked great. You'll see that in another video, but it was also a bigger rig. This adds additional functionality within the camera, additional joystick buttons, XLR, super cool. Downside is that they use the exact same port. Both of these things, they use the same port on the back. There's a port right here on the back that we're going to plug into, and you only get to choose one of these accessories. So if you want the in-the-field viewfinder, so you can just kind of turn it on, look through it. Sometimes it's really helpful for media and playback. Or do you want the bigger build-out of additional functionality, power, things like that. So without further ado, we will start with the EVF-V50. Top, we have some mounting screws, plain and simple. Set that to see. Bag. Oh, that would be the bag for the eyepiece cover, and the rubber grommet for the viewfinder. All right, very simple here. Nice little packaging on the top, and there we have a bag. And ta-da! Nothing to it, right? Just a little viewfinder. What's cool here is on this, look at that port. There it is. And you can use, oh, nice. This mounting screws are actually right there, built into it. Doesn't look like they're gonna fall out. That's really nice. Not gonna worry about those falling out on set or here in the hotel. As I'm, all right, look at that, flexibility. Very cool, very cool. Okay, so that I can attach to the back of the camera. And now we have the EU-V2. We have some mounting screws and a bunch of paperwork that we will absolutely never read or look at. Hopefully there's a recycler here in the hotel. All right. Oh boy, that's a lot of packaging there. Look at that.
Is that thing heavy or no?
No, this is super lightweight. Like I said, I expected it to be heavier, which is kind of nice, but the body is so lightweight. And inside, you get a lot of packaging on this thing. You can see this is not going to be damaged in shipping at all. Probably going to use this today, Brett, versus the viewfinder. We're doing some really long interviews today, like several hours worth. So we're going to use the V-mount. We won't have to worry about changing batteries midway through.
Ooh, that's a beaut.
Look at that. All right, love that.
Wow.
Very small form factor here. There's our mounting, couple mounting screws on the top. input 3 and 4 XLR, so we can add additional microphones. There's the functionality here that will have your function button, because it kind of covers up the back, right? So it adds those off to the side. You have a joystick there on the right and the left. So if you're on a bigger set, once we build this out with the matte box, it's nice to have it, be able to work on both sides of the camera. Sound controls for XLR on that side. On this side, you have additional communications. You have a communication port, a lens control for your really big system. Super excited. The Canon has that built in. A second remote. I mean, this is incredible. There's a D-tap mount right there. That's sweet for accessories. Power output from that. Oh man, they got for additional accessories. Gem lock. Okay, I'm starting to get excited. Right? Like, you can tell.
I am too.
He's geeking out over the camera stuff. All right. Well, I'm getting to play with this stuff. So we're gonna now build this. We're not gonna film that. We got to get going. We're gonna have to roll out here pretty soon. But I did want to take a minute just to unbox these things. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll hope to see you soon on the M1 Gear channel. And thanks. We'll see you later.
And we're out.
We're